Hey everyone, this time let's talk about the hide my email feature on the iPhone. Now, if you just open up the settings on your phone like that, and if you just literally just look up hide my email, it shows you the option right there. So it is in the Apple ID and iCloud hide my email. But when you click on this, it just gets you to this iCloud section, but not much is really going on in here. However, if you scroll down long enough, you can see Get More with iCloud Plus, and Hide My Email can be used in more places. However, you should know that you can only do it with iCloud Plus subscription. So this is basically how it works. You can set it up on your iPhone, but only if you pay monthly for iCloud Plus. But with iCloud Plus, you not only get the Hide My Email, but besides that, you of course get 12 terabyte of storage and sharing with family, private relay, and other stuff and other security stuff. So it may be worth it for you. However, Hide My Email is a feature which basically creates a private email or sets up like a random email address, which is going to be forwarded to your current email address. So an actual example is when you, for example, download a third-party app like this. I don't even know what it's going to be. Let's say you download like ChatGPT or anything, and you basically just sign out from this thing using the main account. And let's say that you try to connect with Apple. I don't go with the Google, I continue with Apple. So just click on that, and you can see that when I sign in with Apple, you can use the hide your email feature. So you can keep your email address private, but still receive messages from the app. That means that you can go ahead and log in with your Apple email address, but the developers of the app, the other side where you're logging in, they're just going to see like a random email address, which is not even your own, but that one is going to be redirected to your actual one. So this is how hide my email actually works. So when you hit continue, you can see that you have you can share your email like this, or you can hide your email. And when you click on hide your email, you can continue that like a random one is going to be created and it's going to be forwarded to your actual one. So I don't share the Foxtecc at iCloud.com with that app. I will just share some like random email address, which I don't even have to know about, and it's just going to be forwarded to me. So that's how it basically works. This is the real example where you can usually use it. So yeah, but as I say, you have to be logged in or upgraded to the iCloud Plus subscription. And if you want to read more about it, you can find it, of course, in here, like what is hide my email. You have like a support page, which is basically like explaining everything on the Apple's page. So you can read through it if you want, but it's all the stuff which I just said and shown you. So yeah, you don't really need to read through it. So that's how it works. This is how you can hide your email. But before we wrap up, I need to show you the Foxtecc educational platform, which you can join for free. It's going to be linked down below. And the reason it exists is because basically nobody is using their iPhone to the full potential. So I created this, and I just showing you how you can set up your iPhone full guide, in-depth guides for different apps, video editing course, more stuff's going to be added, increasing the functionality. There are other people learning already, so go ahead and join it right now. It is free to do so, as I said. Thanks a lot for watching. For now, I will catch you in the next future tutorial.